Hi everyone, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use BlueStacks on your PC. It is an amazing software that allows you to play all your favorite mobile games on PC and even use your PC as an Android mobile phone. Now, without any delays, let's get started. Here you can see I have already BlueStacks installed. In case you are downloading it for the first time, you need to access your browser and write BlueStacks PC download in the search bar. It will show these results. Click on the first result as it is the official page. Now here on this page, you'll see these download options. Don't download BlueStacks 10 as the library of this BlueStacks version is relatively new and you may not be able to find your favorite game or app there. Instead, download BlueStacks 5. Now, you see the installer has been downloaded. Let's run it. As you know, I already have a BlueStacks installed on my PC. It is giving me the update option. So let's update it. I think this may take a while. In the meantime, let me tell you that if you have not enabled virtualization, BlueStacks may not work on your PC, so make sure to have it activated. Our update has been downloaded and installed, and it is opening now. Let me show the BlueStacks interface on PC. So I had this operating system within the Windows operating system. How cool it is! There are some apps installed by default. However, you can also access the Google Play Store. It will have all your favorite games and apps. Well, this is how you can install and use BlueStacks on PC. If you want to learn more about internet hacks that make life easier, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.